Hi Glow Squad. Last video I shared what I've been building quietly behind the scenes, my freedom framework. Today we're going to go deeper into how I'm preparing my business with System.io for 2026. And why starting now, not January, is the real secret to financial freedom. Most people wait for the calendar to change before they change. But builders, we start before the rush. The habits that you build before the new year become your foundation. When January 1st arrives, you'll already have momentum. Your systems will be up and running. Every October and November, I take inventory. What worked this year? What drained my time? What can I automate before next year begins? You don't need perfection, you need clarity. So make sure you audit your system. If you're using System.io already, open up your dashboard and look at your funnels, emails, and automations. What's performing well? What's collecting dust? This is the calm before the scale. Let's connect this to the Freedom Framework. We're in the build, automate, scale, sustain cycle. So November is automate, because what we automate now is what gives us peace later. When I prepare for a new year, I focus on my system. And my email is the first conversation with my new subscribers and my path to my offers. So each subscriber is guided to the next step. My content workflow, how my videos and posts all lead back to the system. And I'll be breaking down each of these steps inside the 7-day framework series. Well, your mommy a minute? You got monster trucks? I want to give you a brief overview of an automation rule and tagging. So in the system, you could create a tag for someone who purchases your annual plan. It would automatically remove them from the follow-up sequence. And that's how you build a smart system and also respect your customer's journey. Automation isn't code, it's clarity, so you can serve the right people at the right time with the right message, while you're also living your life. For me, time freedom isn't optional. My oldest son has a special schedule, therapy appointments, school schedule, dismissals, early transitions, everything that requires me to be present. So I built my business around that, and System.io allows me to have the framework for my systems to run even when I'm not able to. Let's talk about content strategy. I batch plan my videos and emails around a problem that my audience faces, not features I want to sell. So each piece of content should either inspire, educate, or invite. Inspire with your story, educate with your system, and then invite with your CTA, which is your call to action. This video right now is to educate and then also invite you to take the next step. Let's talk about what consistent systems can create. 10 annual signups at $170 is a gross of $1,700, with a 60% commission is a little over $1,000. So imagine getting 10 signups every single month. That's the base of your 2026 passive income stream. Then multiply that by 1 hour a day for 30 days. And you're not just working, you're building momentum. The biggest lesson I've learned in my 8 years online is this: systems don't steal your freedom, they give it back. When you set them up with intention, your time is yours again. So Glow Squad, this is your invitation to build now and breathe later. Lock in with System.io's annual plan before the beginning of 2026. Let's create a system that works for you and gives you the time and financial freedom that you want. And if you miss this month's challenge, then go ahead and click the link to get on my email, so you'll be all set for when we do our challenge again next month. Everyone who is already participating in the challenge, I hope that you have set up your funnel. Thank you for your participation. And make sure you're checking your email around 10 a.m. every day from now until Sunday. You also have a bonus coming your way on Sunday, so keep an eye out for that. Glow Squad, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.